Okay, yeah, I'm just pretty much picking up where I left off at, but I don't want the videos to be too long because everybody don't like details. Some people just, just like to browse and see what they can see. So I'll go ahead and start it and run a little quick demo. Really no song in particular. Let's see. I'll just go to. Let me find a song. So as soon as the car turns on, it
ain't paid, we can read the whole book, baby. Do the blues, I can do a couple.
That's the battery. Battery in the trunk. Battery on the hood. Battery on the hood. About dropped it. To walk across the street so you can kind of get a better idea. It's a decent sound. I'm gonna have to pad the crap out of it though, eventually. And I done did all this in the cold, so I'll probably be waiting the summertime to do all that. So I had to pull everything out and do that. But I want to give a little quick demo. So everybody can get off my case. Man, I've been procrastinating so bad on this. I walked over there.
I slapped him, I had told him, I don't know how you get down with them clowns, but I'm a soldier. No one could understand. I had way too much aggression that put over the years from my abandoned adolescence. See, I don't be lied to, backstabbed, and heartbroken. I wanted to cry, but I was too afraid.
And you already know Tar Amps, they push their max power at like 12.6 volts or something like that. So of course I'm getting all my juice. I got that OFC, that oxygen free cable, so I'm not losing any wattage. feeding it. Yeah, that's about it. Probably do another demo ride. I'm gonna go ahead and post this. I got people waiting. All right.